What is up, YouTube? Today is a beautiful day here in Colorado. It's going to be 91 degrees. We're going to be going up to Aspen Park, Colorado. It's a pretty fun ride. It's right up in the mountains. It's over near Conifer, Colorado. It's going to be beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy the ride today.
Turn left onto Meridian Boulevard.
I will gladly turn left. Woo-hoo! Off we go! We're going to be taking Grand Junction. I'm getting pelted by little rocks. Feels a little sand. Feel on my neck, feel on my arms. It's kind of annoying. My God, I'm getting destroyed by rocks. Dude, I can't handle that truck. Guy. For real. I mean, I just got beat by dirt and rocks and and who knows what it did to the bike. But that is the most annoying to deal with. I can't stand that. Wow, look at that view. Oh, you guys never been to Colorado? Come visit. Very nice, very pretty state. It's got all 4 seasons. It's got summer, fall, winter, and the spring. Hey, it's pretty cool. I came from a place that has 1 season. It's called summer. And you guess what that might be? Look at how the clouds and the sunlight hit the mountains. The different shades. You got a student driver. Oh! You know, I wonder how they feel when there's like a bike next to them. Oh man! Really? Really, dude? Really gonna be like that to me, dude? Riding the GNC, you're going over 100 miles an hour. Are you kidding me? You guys see that GNC in front of me? How he cut me up like he got so close to me. Welcome to YouTube, buddy. Welcome to YouTube. Oh my gosh. What are you doing, dude? You don't have to go 20 miles an hour through here. Look at these rocks. Look at the different colors. Wow. Look at that random spot just carved right there. Right in the mountains. I feel like it takes away from it. It's like an eyesore. So if you guys are wondering what kind of vest this is an EBS sport vest. I got this online for $120. I love it. It's a great vest. It's got back plates on it. It's got a pretty good cushion. This size is a large, extra large. It's the size that I wear. Fits pretty well. It could go a lot bigger too. I was really surprised. I actually have it as tight as it is. I'm like 230 pounds. 6'2", 230 pounds. The vest fits me just fine. I'm more of a barrel chest. So if you guys were ever looking to get this vest, take that into consideration that a large, extra large is actually kind of big. If I was like 200 pounds, this would be way too big for me, truthfully. But it's a great vest. It looks cool. It's got these cool little shoulders. I like how they look. It's really comfortable too. Look at that! Vast landscapes. Look at the rocks. Look at that mountain. Fire danger is high today, says Smokey. Alright guys, welcome to Aspen Park. This is it. Elevation's 8,120 feet above sea level. So we're up there in elevation. So we're driving through a neighborhood here. Pretty cool little neighborhood. This is up in Aspen Park, Colorado. This is away from the city, so this is really more of a just going for a ride out here. It's really cool, really pretty. I feel like we're going to see some serious amount of wildlife, you never know. Look at that A-frame. So cool. It would be so cool to live in one of those. Bum, 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 bum. Why are roads so bad? I mean, I understand why the roads in the mountains are bad, guys, but they can definitely work on them. They could definitely work on these roads. It's just a tiny little town, but some people want to know what this looks like. Some people want to see it. I want to show you guys. Yeah. Bye. Off we go. So yeah, I'm thinking about taking this bike up to Pikes Peak. It sits out 14,110 feet above sea level in elevation. It's really high up there. I think this bike could do it. I'm really thinking about taking it up there pretty soon. It's a very, very fun drive, especially if you're driving in like a car. Plenty of places to see. A lot. Now, if you guys go to my YouTube channel, you'll see on my background, it's going to be this overlooking landscape of the mountains. Well, that's Pikes Peak. That's where you can go and drive up to the top of. Oh man, you know, you don't realize how small and insignificant and tiny we are until you go up there, and then everything just looks so small. I mean, small. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as well. I'm going to be making videos every week, a couple times a week, just traveling around Colorado, going to different places up in the mountains, maybe in the city, just depends. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.